Hi, my name is Aftab Hussain, and today in this video we will discuss about the very important topic about related to robotics engineering, and our topic is role of artificial intelligence in robotics engineering. So guys, robotics engineering based on artificial intelligence involves the integration of AI technologies such as machine learning and computer vision into the development and operation of robotic systems. Artificial intelligence is the general name of the technology for the development of machines which are created entirely by artificial means and can exhibit behaviors and behave like human beings. Without taking advantage of any living organism, artificial intelligence product when approached as an idealist are completely human being like and can perform tasks such as feeling, forcing and making decisions. They are generally called robot. Some main fields where the robots are playing more vital role, and so the first is military, and we will discuss the how the military using the robots. The world has entered into technological zone. During war, there are a number of technological weapons which are used by developed countries for their defense. Robots are very important in this regard for the development of artificial intelligence weapons having capability to remove life-threatening objects in warfield. An artificial intelligence robot, namely DARCS, developed by Defense Research and Development Organization (DRDO), and its functionality and is to remove the life-threatening objects in danger zone. And the second field is medicine, and it's a very important field which is required the much research and much development regarding the artificial intelligence. There was an ample need of artificial intelligence technology in medical field. Numbers of clinical tests are being carried out through the mechanical artificial intelligence robots. In medicine field, many complicated operations like brain tumor removal are being performed by the modern artificial intelligence robots, which is part of the advancement in medical fields. Application of artificial intelligence is quite prevalent and essential in the various stages of robot design. Firstly, in the process of machine learning, artificial intelligence plays a very vital role in the deductive and inductive learning process of robot design. Secondly, pattern recognition, speech and word recognition are very important in the programming of robots. Finally, in knowledge representation, declarative and procedure knowledge representations are very key processes in robotics. The advancement of artificial intelligence and its applications have gone a long way in transforming robotics. It has further led to the creation of more intelligent and task-efficient robots which have various uses. The application of artificial intelligence will pave way for more outstanding breakthroughs in robotics and additionally create robots that will reflect the processing capacity of the human brain. The importance of artificial intelligence cannot be overemphasized, and as such it should be taught as part of the computer science programs in high schools, and emphasis should be given to it in universities. Further, researches should be encouraged through government and corporate funding. So thank you for watching this video about the little concept of role of artificial intelligence in robotic engineering. So if you think that these videos are making impact in your life and increase your knowledge, so you never forget to subscribe us. Thank you.